How would this 2019 Yamaha WR feel on the motocross track? This bike is fully uncorked with GYTR ECU and a full exhaust system. Let's take it on the track and see how it feels. This WR450 on the track, well, it feels really good. So this is the bike that we did all the free mods, throttle stop, there's a GYTR FMF exhaust on this thing, then we did airbox mod and also GYTR ECU and the map switch. And this bike feels so good. It's amazing trail bike. You guys know we did a lot of trail riding on this WR, but today we took it here on the track and it felt really good. Yeah, the suspension was a little bit soft, but worked really good on this, you know, like the braking bumps and acceleration bumps. But then if you hit a really big jump, that would be good to have a little bit stiffer suspension. But you just play with the clickers a little bit and you can dial it pretty well. Other than that, it's really good. Even the suspension, the way it is right now, it felt really good on the track. You see, I was trying to catch Dallas, he was on 450, and then we switched and I get GoPro to him. I gave GoPro to him and he was trying to catch me. I was on my RMZ 250. We just had a lot of fun. Riding was great and this bike feels really good. So if you guys decide to go for WR450, I would highly suggest you do the free mods and maybe, you know, put GYTR ECU. This bike will turn into something really great. Transmission is decent for this track in the third gear most of the time and feels so much better now coming out of the turns. It was really blast to ride this thing. And yeah, It is a trail bike still, you know, that's the number one thing that I would use this bike for. But coming, you know, once a month, twice a month on a track, you can be very competitive on this bike. Just, you know, go a little bit stiffer on the clickers and you are good to go. So definitely great package, great bike, love it. WR450, it's a good bike. All right, guys, that's about it for today. And don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.
Woohoo!